Hi, my name is Anuj Gupta, founder and owner of Tag Investments, a registered business partner of Motilal Oswal Financial Services Limited. Thank you so much for watching us on this video series of how to use the mobile application, web application, desktop application. Today's topic is how to use the web application of Motilal Oswal. Not wasting too much of time, we are on May 2021. So we understand somebody who's watching the video in the later part of the year or in the coming years may find this video obsolete or may find this video say half useful, but then it gives you a gist of how to use the application. So I'm sure this will be of use to each and every participant who's activated a Motilal Oswal account with us or elsewhere as well. So I'm just giving you a walkthrough as to how to use Motilal Oswal platform via the web application. So you need to log into motilaloswal.com, click on login to trade. This window will open. You need to punch in your client code, mobile number or email ID registered with Motilal Oswal. The password is sent to you at the time of account creation. Otherwise, you can reset it from here. Generate password. You just need to put in your mobile number, email ID, or your client code, and the password is sent to your registered mobile number and email ID. Once you enter your client code and password, you can either log into MO Investor or MO Trader. I'm going to show you MO Investor at the moment. So this is how the login, once you log in, the platform looks like. So we have something called as a watch list, portfolio, mutual funds, help me invest, reports. And on the home page, we have these stickers of Nifty 50, Sensex, USD INR, and gold. We also have this hamburger menu via which you can track the markets, see the advice which Motilal Oswal has to give, have a insight on the research reports. If you want to do a fund transfer, you need to go to fund transfer, add funds. So once you already have a registered bank which comes under this drop down list, you have the account number and the amount which you need to invest via net banking. Clicking on the net banking, you click on submit. It takes you to the bank website. You need to enter your login and ID with your bank, followed by an OTP if the bank sends you one, and then you can check the status of your funds, as in the transfer status here. So somebody who's transferred, you will get a success or a failure message here. In case if you wish to withdraw funds at a later stage, then you can withdraw funds via this mechanism. You want to have a look at the news, some alerts in terms of you've put some triggers, you can set your alerts here. Some other essentials, trading APIs. If you want to trade in FNOs, you can actually club some APIs from outside external, and it helps you with signals, some learning videos, frequently asked questions, and log out. Now coming back to the home page, this is how the home page looks of the web application. So starting with the markets in terms of the Indian indices, sector indices, global indices, you can track the indices here of Nifty 50, Nifty 100, Sensex, Nifty 200. Similarly, in sector indices, Nifty 50, Nifty Auto, Nifty FMCG, Nifty Pharma. In terms of the global indices, Nasdaq, DJIA, CAC 40, DAX. If you want to have a more detailed look and of other indexes, so these are the other indexes also in which you can get the details. Similarly, of the sector indices other than the Nifty Bank, Nifty IT, FMCG, Auto, Pharma, Metal, and Reality. You can also have a look at these. Similar is for global indices. So these are the world indices, global indices, which you can have a look at. On the key statistics in terms of who are the gainers, losers for the day, for the week, who hit the 52-week high, which stocks hit the 52-week low. So you can have a look at those statistics here. On the news front, if you want to just read the market commentary, you can have a look at here. If you want to expand this news, you can expand and you can read at your will and ease. This is how you go back to the home page. Click on the logo of Motilal Oswal, and you will go back to the home page. So that was on the key statistics and the news. So then it is followed by any ongoing IPO. So you will get the list of IPOs. So IPOs is initial public offering. So In 2021, as we speak, we are expecting LIC of India's IPO to be coming up. We are expecting HDB Financial, which is a subsidiary of HDFC Bank, to be coming up, lending arm of HDB. Then Zomato IPO. So all those IPOs will be listed here, and you can apply directly from your via UPI or via Bhim app. The event calendars in terms of any, the March quarter ended, we are in May 2021, so any board meetings, AGMs, EGMs, results, any dividend payouts, bonuses, splits which are happening, you can get the information from here. Then this is an interesting tool in terms of restructuring your portfolio. In case you have a portfolio within MOSL or outside MOSL, you can actually upload your portfolio in the restructuring tool, and it helps you to diversify or give you the buy, hold, and sell signals in terms of is your portfolio well diversified, or is it skewed towards a particular stock or particular sector. So it helps you diversify your portfolio, which we'll talk. There is a separate video which we have made on restructuring your portfolio, but just giving you an overview of the app. Recommendations for you: you can invest in gold, you can invest in ready-made portfolios, which we fondly called as model funds. It is called intelligent advisory products. Otherwise, you can invest in you can say mutual funds, which is SIPs, through the SIP route or through the lump sum route, 100% paperless investments. On the advice front, if you are into trading, or if you want to directly invest via stocks, or want to invest in currency, commodity, or FNO segment, so we give you active advice via this segment, via the platform, in which we give you the buy signals, sell signals in FNO, in currency, in commodity. So you get these active advice, and you can see the open calls which are here. In terms of starting so these are a few ad banners which helps you, motivates you to get started with a SIP, top up your SIPs, so which we keep changing on a month-to-month basis. Some theme-based mutual funds with best returns, some top-rated funds, equity funds, tax saver funds, better returns than FDs, some hybrid funds. You can have a look at all this year and invest through the lump sum and SIP route. We strongly believe in education, and that is why some blogs and edu movies are here, in which you can actually have a look at your ease. So these are 3 to 5 minutes videos which we make, which you can have a look at a beginner level, intermediate level, and at an advanced level. On the blogs, we write few blogs in terms of information, in terms of how to trade, what are the technical ways of investing, fundamental ways of investing and trading. So these are few things which you can actually you can say look at once your account is activated with Motilal Oswal. Under the watch list, basically you can add your favorite stocks which you want to track. So you can actually click on manage watch list, create a new watch list. So supposedly I want to create a watch list by the name of Anuj Gupta favorite stocks. So let me name it as favorite, and I save. Now under favorite, I say okay fine, I want to add, say Titan is one of my stocks which I wish to add. So I type Titan here, and I click on it from the drop down, and it gets added. In case if I want to trade in it, so I can trade via the cash segment, future segment, or option segment. We'll talk on what are the 3 segments in a separate video, but this is how your order form gets opened, and you can buy or sell. Going back to the watch list, trying to add Titan here. So I have to click on add, and here the stock will get added. Now if I want to add, say, Reliance, so I'll wait for the Reliance stock to be shown under the drop down, and I'll click on add. This is how we add stocks, and if you want to buy or sell, we can quickly just click on buy. The order form comes up, and you can place your order and buy. So we'll tell you more about how to place the orders in a separate video, but then just giving you a functionality of how each menu bar works. Going to portfolio, under portfolio, in case if you have an active portfolio, it will show up here. In case you want some trading recommendations from us, so on a trading basis, positional basis, investment basis, these are few of the stocks which you can invest in and trade in. Ready-made solutions, so as I told you, there is something called as model funds in which you can invest. So there's a ticket size and a time horizon which you should have along with your risk appetite. You can choose the ready-made solutions to invest via SIP and lump sum. So these are few of the model funds which we have. So again, if you want to invest in gold, you can click on gold. Uh, this is a concept powered by MMTC in which you can invest in physical gold, but in a demat manner, or in a, you can say, paperless manner, rather say. So you're actually owning physical gold, but you are investing in it through the platform in an electronic manner. You keep on paying, you can say, depositing money through the SIP or through the lump sum route, and you can encash the gold at a later stage whenever you feel that you've accumulated 3 grams, 5 grams, 10 grams of gold. So they give you, the MMTC is the platform which is taking care of this me gold concept. So they give you 5 years tenure to accumulate gold with them. You keep on paying through the platform, and at a later stage, whenever you're wanting to invest or rather redeem those units into a physical gold, you can give them a request and they give you physical gold in form of a round coin or a biscuit of a 3 gram, 5 gram, 10 gram. So it is predefined, and it comes to your doorstep at a very nominal cost of 500,000 rupees. So that was gold investing for you. Similarly, you can invest in mutual funds. We've already covered this. Then under the mutual funds, uh, so again, if you clearly want to search for some scheme and then invest, you can do so. Otherwise, whatever the advices across different categories from various fund houses or from various third-party channels are given here, you can invest. You can also choose that, okay, you can choose your type in terms of your aggressive portfolio, balanced portfolio, conservative portfolio, and the scheme comes in front of you and you can invest via the lump sum or SIP route. If you want to just check out the returns, you can check out here and then invest. Help Me Invest is, we covered on the gold, we covered on the IAPs, that is the model funds. SMT is Suggest Me tool. So suggest me now. So in case you really don't know where to invest, how much to invest, so you can actually talk to this tool by filling in few questions that I have a return in mind, I want to earn more, suggest me some portfolio, give me some ready-made solutions, restructure my portfolio. That is about the Suggest Me tool. So you can explore this at your own will and ease. Life insurance, health insurance is something which you can talk to us offline or online, and we can help you invest in these health insurance and life insurances. Stock SIPs you can invest in, and invest in US equities. That's one of the interesting things. You can actually buy Teslas, Netflix, Google, Amazon, uh, and all the US based equities ETFs via this platform. Under reports section, these are few of the reports, trading reports, operational reports, mutual fund reports, and other reports which you can view once you start investing. You would want to know how much gain, how much loss, when did you invest in what, how much margin money you have, so on and so forth. You can invest, you can actually track through these reports. So that was a little glimpse or little overview on the web application. So in case if you have further questions, we'll be happy to give you a one-to-one 15 to 20 minutes walkthrough. You can fill up the form or contact us via the social media links, and in the Dropbox or in the comments box we generally leave our contact details. So we'll be happy to help you on a one-to-one basis for your individual queries. Thank you so much for the watch. Have a good day and a good year ahead. Happy investing. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.